Sarasbag is considered the heart of Pune. As we have seen, Sarasbag will be closed, that is for today and tomorrow. As we have seen yesterday, right now we are standing outside the Sarasbag. As you can see today, the Sarasbag is completely closed. As you can right front, you can see me. There's a poster that is being displayed over there that is written that today, that is 28 and 29 of 2026, Sarasbag will be closed due to the security reason that has been seen over here. As we have seen, there were two posts that has been seen on the Pune's mayor Manjusha Nagpure that has made official announcement in this regard. Notably, we have seen that initially the mayor's social media team had informed that the temple would be closed due to the renovation work. However, the information was changed within a short time and it was appeared like that it will be closed due to the security reasons. As we have seen right outside the temple, many devotees are standing over here to take the darshan. As front we can see there's a Ganpati temple over there and people are standing right outside the Sarasbag gate to take the devotees are standing over here to take the darshan of the Ganpati Bappa. As we have seen, the entire Sarasbag is closed. As we have seen, there's a background of this controversy and the connection related to Bakrid. As we have seen, Bakrid will be celebrated across the country, that is today and tomorrow. Against this backdrop, the closure of Sarasbag has sparked political and social discussions in the city for some time now also. As we have seen, Sarasbag has been the center of the religious controversy. Hindutva organization are alleging that the certain community eat meats on the greenery of the garden, which is threatening the temple security as well as the system over there. Last year, if we see in June 2025, the garden was closed on Bakrid after BJP MP Medha Kulkarni wrote a letter in this regard. This year, the same reason has been repeated again, raising the questions about the transparency of the administration also. People are standing outside and taking the darshan of the devotees. As we have seen, many people like they were aware, like we have seen yesterday also there were two social media post that has been put by the Pune's mayor Manjusha Nagpure. Even though mayor has given clarification that the posts were made, there were a mistake that has been taken by the social media team regarding that. Temple will be open for the citizens around 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning, but right now we see the situation over here. The temple is also closed as well as the entire Sarasbag is also closed. Now we have to see what is the exact reason regarding that. Is that the controversy that last time also BJP MP Medha Kulkarni has written a letter for closing the Sarasbag. Now we have to see what was the exact reason. Was it like authorities for the security purpose, or it was related to the controversy of Eid as well as Bakrid? With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.